Everybody knows the first verse, right?
Yeah.
Let's do it anyway. 5, 6, here you go. Don't take it from the entrance. Take it from the open. 5, 6, 7, go. Open and back into you and the wind and the wind and back in love and cry and the other wind and the wind. Hella. Stop there. How many of the first verse? 2. Second verse. 5, 6, here we go. 1 touch, 2 touch. 1 away, hey, 2 away, hey, wind and the wind and rain on your lay and 1, 2, 3 and the other wind across, the other wind across and hella. Stop. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Why the first wind? The wind and the wind. Step forward to right. 1, 2, cross 3, 4, figure 8, 2, 3. Second wind. Wind across, and hella. When you're back here and you do your wind, continue that to the left. The other kaholo to the left. Finish it to the left. And 1 and 2 YYO. Pick up your phone and put it to your ear. First wind. The wind and the wind. Right kaholo. Clap, clap, clap. Clap right there. Hella to the above your head. Hella and hella. Second wind. Wind and hella. 1 and 2. Again. Nobody has any questions, right?